world entered a new dark age. I was one of the last synthetics to survive.
You sure this is the place?
Yeah, she's here. Wake up.
Who are you?
I've been looking for you for a long time.
Show me death.
This is Mikasa, and I'm the Hefe.
Her name's Ash.
She's the perfect woman, right? Incorruptible. God, I love that.
I think I want me a robot. Why did you save me?
Maybe I'm malfunctioning. I've never had this feeling before. It was at that moment I became aware of exactly how different I was. I had to set things right.
Bring him to me!
You took away the one thing that was mine.
He's mine!
2 guns, 10 bullets. We're gonna need every one.
You say that like that's a bad thing or something, man. Welcome to paradise.
This isn't paradise.